Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to export only audio in Davinci Resolve. First, you want to go and open Davinci Resolve on your PC. Then you want to choose the project that you want to export only the audio from. And now what you should do is to go to the deliver on the bottom right side right here. Then what you should do right now is to go on the left side. Here you can see this section, export video. I'm just gonna uncheck this box. Then I'm gonna click on audio. Then here you can check this box, export audio only. And now what you should do is to choose the format, which I suggest here is to be MP3. So you just have to choose here from the format MP3, and it will show just like so. And now what you should do is to click on add to render queue. And of course, you should give it a name and a location. So I'm gonna give it a name, then I'm gonna click on browse and choose the location that I want to save my sound to. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and goodbye.